Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making this Lego puzzle box. Nope, we'll be making this Lego puzzle box. It's actually colored, unlike this one. Let's get straight into the video. So yeah, this Lego puzzle box is actually very nicely colored. Got some green dots around to disguise the treasure piece. It's a nice and green 1x2 money piece hidden somewhere in here. The solve is very simple, so I just show you how to do it right now. So firstly, we press this piece in right here. Piece goes in a block, comes out a block over here. Then we can press this piece in here. Over here, press this. Goes in a block, and then comes out a block here. Then you can actually press this piece back in. This releases a money piece right here. There you go. $100 right there. And to put it back, press that back in, press this back in, press that piece back in, and there you go, back to normal. Let's get straight into the solve. Let's go. All you'll need is two 2x4 plates, 4x4 plates, two 2x4 tiles, 2 corner bricks, 2 1x2 bricks, 4 1x1 bricks, 2 corner plates, 6 1x2 plates, 3 1x2 tiles and a treasure piece, 2 1x4 tiles, 4 1x4 plates, 6 1x1 plates, and 5 1x1 tiles. That's all you need for the tutorial. Let's get straight into it. So firstly, grab yourself that 4x4 plate, and then grab one corner plate, one corner block. Might not be able to see that, but there is a plate and a block because it's a black build on a black background. Grab a 1x2 block right there, and then grab one 1x4 plate and tile, just like that. And then next, grab one corner I don't know how to say it, plate, and place it there. And then place a 1x4 plate right there. Next, grab 2 1x1 bricks and place them on either side there. And then place a 1x2 tile in the middle. And then it doesn't really have to be a green tile, but I used a green tile because I didn't have a black tile. And place like a corner tile would work, but I didn't have any black or green corner tiles. And place that there. Next, grab your money piece and a 1x2 plate. Money piece goes there. 1x2 plate goes here. And then get a 1x2 brick. Place that 1x2 brick here. Next, grab a corner brick. Place that above the money piece. Now 1x2 plate just above right there. And then next, get 2 1x2 plates and then 2 1x1 plates. These two will stack on top of each other here, so it's like overlapping. And then 2 1x1 plates will go on top of this brick right there. Now move this to the side and grab a 1x4 plate and a 1x2 plate, 1x1 tile, 1x1 plate. Remember, throughout this whole build, color actually doesn't really matter. So build with whatever you've got. Next, get a 1x1 tile or one plate and another 1x1 plate right there. And then put this off to the side as well, but like closer to you. Next, grab a 1x4 plate, a 1x1, two 1x1 bricks, and a 1x2 tile. Place that 1x2 tile in the middle, and then two 1x1 bricks on the outside. Then place a 1x2 plate on one of the sides, and then a 1x1 plate on this side. There you go. Grab your other piece, bring them back together, and there should be only one, or if you look at this, the bigger piece will go into here like that, but don't put it in yet, and the smaller piece will go into the box there. So get your two moving pieces, stack them together like that. Next, grab a 1x1, two 1x1 tiles and a 1x4 tile, and then place them like this, and there you go. That's your moving pieces done, and they should go right in there. There you go. Next, grab a 4x4 plate, close it all together, and then two 2x4 tiles to smooth them up the top. There you go, that's your tutorial. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. See you next time.